tanks. So I'm gonna ask Naji, please. Naji, can you just quickly introduce what is an AST tank? What is the whole project about?
Basically, our project is to build prototypes of AST tanks.
Yeah. What is an AST tank?
They are above ground storage.
Yeah.
Where they would store storage tank, where they would store liquids like oil, water. Basically, these tanks are supposed to withstand the natural disasters.
Okay.
For example, hurricanes that would happen in Texas.
Yeah.
Floods.
Yeah.
Everything. So it's supposed to withstand it and be able to stay stable and steady.
Okay.
So that during the natural disaster, nothing will happen to the tank to ruin the.
It's not be then transported with the flood in the river, and so let's then orient the wind on this one. So we see that this tank is perfect. So then, in case of hurricane and any weather disaster, so then it's perfectly stable. And we see that the students' design, Omar's design, was really very creative. He put a lot of effort in this. This is also another one. I like it so much. So the tank is made from. You can explain, please. That's yours.
Sure. So the tank consists of 4 different dividers. Basically, the models which the fluid is like in. So like it's like 2 different layers of. Essentially, you have the first layer, which is like a whiteboard. Then you have the layer of the bottom, which is separate.
Exactly, and the idea of having 4 adjacent tanks is when there is a disaster and one of the tanks doesn't affect the other tanks.
Exactly.
So this is the curiosity about this design. So whenever there is, let's say, a hole or something that is a hole that is poking here, the outer wall, so that this one get damaged, but the other ones no. So then it's limited disaster. That's very good idea. Thank you for this creativity.